considered to be vectors? And Cloney, let's start with you. 2.1, why are they considered to be vectors? Yes, they have magnitude, they have size, or they have magnitude, and direction. Okay, 2.2, they say determine the resultant force. Okay, now all of them are at weird or funky or different angles. So what we're going to do is we're going to split them up into the perpendicular component. Okay, now here you have a choice where you're going to split them up. Are you going to split them up there and there, or there and there? Okay, so your splitting up might be different than mine. Okay, so just check, and it's fine if yours are different. Okay, right, so we have 3 components, X and Y. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, now, some people did struggle with this. I'm going to do this step by step, but if you want to quickly see if you've got the right answer, there's the memo in here. You remember? Okay, so let's go check where is the memo. Can you see first of all? There you see it's November 2015. Do you see that? And do you see on the left one it says paper 1, T1. So you're going to go to the memos. You're going to look for November 2015. Where do you look for November 2015? Also in the top right corner. November 2015. And we are at question 2, I think. Question 2. Yes? Yeah, page 43. So there, you see is question 2 here at the top left corner. So you can quickly check if you've got the right answer. Okay, I am going to mark it step by step, but you can quickly check, did you do the right thing there, or. Okay, so I am going to look at all the X values first for myself. So I'm going to look at QX, I'm going to look at PX and RX. To get QX, it would be 200 the cos of 30. To get PX, it would be, because of my triangle, because of how I drew my triangle, it's going to be 500 sin of 10 degrees. Okay, because I want the X value, so it's opposite over hypotenuse. Alright, and for R, it's going to be 300 cos of 60 degrees. Alright, but they're all in different directions. This one is going to the right, this one is going to the right, this one is going to the left. So I can't just add them together. So if you choose to the right to be positive, then this one is positive, this one is positive, and this one is negative. If you chose to the left to be positive, then this is going to be negative, positive. Yes. Oh, did I do it wrong? Well, 86. Thank you. 86.82. Okay, please put up your hand if you do not agree with me or you have a question, I have 110,03. Okay? And because I get a positive answer, it means it's to the right. If I look at all the y vectors, then qy and py and ry, qy is going to be sin, py is going to be cos, and ry is going to be sin again. Did I do this right? Yes. If you do not have the plus or the minus, it's wrong. But if you don't show the direction there, it's not wrong yet. If you don't apply it, it might be wrong later. Okay, again, these are at different directions. This one is going up, up, and down. So I'm going to choose up to be positive. You do not have to. You can choose down to be positive. So this is positive, positive, negative. Okay. Alright, and then you add them together. And I get, oopsie, 332.59. Okay, again, I got a positive answer. So and I choose up to be positive, so it means it's up. Right? Then I'm going to draw them quickly. So I have it to the right is 110,03, and I have, oopsie, 110,03, and I have 332.59. So the resultant of those two is going to be, according to the parallelogram method, somewhere there. To get the size of the resultant, I'm going to use Pythagoras because it makes a 90-degree angle between the perpendicular components. And I get 350.32. Yes? No? Yes? Okay, Newtons, I think. Yes. Now I want an angle. Now I'm happy about this angle because I do not have to add 90 degrees or subtract 90 degrees or anything, because I'm going to calculate that angle. Then it's from the 0 degrees. Okay? So the tan of theta is going to be 110,03 over 332.59, and I get theta to be 18.306, and then if I put these two together, I get 350.32 Newton at 18.31 degrees. Who has full marks? Mooi. What's wrong? These two. To tan is opposite over adjacent.
Another angle, so mine is 71.69.
Yeah, but remember, then you calculated that angle. Then you're going to have to subtract it from 90 degrees to get that angle.
So why do you have to do that?
If you leave it at degrees, then you have to give it from the 0 degree line. If you got yours to be 71.69, then you have to say that degrees from the horizontal, meaning you got that angle from the horizontal, that is the angle. So you have to add from the horizontal. Alright, those that did not get full marks, where is the problem? How can I help? What can I clarify? Buka Muso. Did you get full marks? Where was your problem? Okay, so that is a massive problem. So it means you get 0 out of 8. Do you know why you did it wrong? Because you changed your cause and your sin around. So you have homework to do, is to go practice that. How are you going to go practice this? Open this booklet on page 8. Check on page 8, at the top of page 8. There at the top, November 2022. You have to do question 2. And which one is this? This is November 2021 here in the corner. There's number 2 as well. Well, you, yes. Did you get full marks? Then yes. Alright, so here is more practice for the same questions. You can see them. They asked it in 2021. They asked it in 2022. I did not add 2023 to this booklet, but they did ask it. So what's the chances that you will get this type of question in the test? Like 99%. So if you did not get full marks now, you need to go practice this. I'm telling you, you'll get a question like this. Guess who sets your question paper? Me. Can you look at the marks? So in 2022, if you look at how they added 333, that's 9 marks for this question. 2021, it counted 7 marks. I'm already giving you, I'm telling you, at least 8 marks from your question paper is going to be a question like this. So if you did not get full marks, are you going to go practice these things? Because twice last year I told you to go to past papers to practice. And twice you did not listen to me. Because honestly, who went to past papers for the end of the year? Out of the whole class, 4 people. After I've told you, go to past papers. Guess who helps set the Free States question papers? So I'm telling you what you will get. I'm telling you where do teachers and examiners go for inspiration. Past papers. Use this booklet. Hey. All of this is on YouTube. So this is on record that I've told you. So when your marks are not good, I'm going to ask your parents to come and I'm going to play them this video. And I'm going to tell them, this is what I told you. Alright, go to your next chapter please. We're done with this chapter.